Introducing the incredible 2020 Ford Kuga Titanium First Edition. This sleek black SUV with a 1.5 litre petrol engine and manual transmission is a true standout. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. The luxurious interior includes cup holders, a load cover, and luxury trim. Plus, with a chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. And with features like energy recuperation and stop-start system, this vehicle is not only stylish, but also eco-friendly. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information on this fully serviced, fully warranty-covered beauty.